Then what else do you want to say? Still not satisfied, still not a lesson. Nature is really angry. Do you still want to hear the screams of those asking for help, and the cries of those who lost their relatives and everything they had? What else do you want to see? Still not satisfied, still not aware, sir. Nature is really angry. Do you still want to hear the screams of those asking for help, and the cries of those who lost their relatives and everything they had?